What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Sneaker Huddle Weekly. In today's video, we're going to break down the best sneaker releases Monday all the way through Saturday. And before we kick off today's video, we want to take appreciation to remembering Kobe Bryant and Gianna Bryant here on her birthday on May the 1st. And hopefully, if you're watching this video, you did receive exclusive access this Sunday on her birthday for the Kobe 6 Protro Mambacita Sweet 16. The first sneaker drop kicking it off this week will be on Monday, May the 2nd, the KCDC Nike SB Dunk High that will drop on Nike Sneakers EU for a retail point of 125 US dollars. Now, in terms of the estimated resale prediction for the pair, these are currently looking like they will fall on the secondary market anywhere from 150 to 175. And if you're in the United States or in Europe, be sure to head over to NikeSB.com, filter skate shops, and find the closest skate shops to you to enter their raffles. Moving over to Tuesday, May 3rd, dropping on Nike Sneakers US will be the Air Jordan 1 Stash for a retail point of 175. And when you take a look at the demand for these pairs of sneakers, ask are extremely high. There are no transactions, and the fact that this is just such an out there sneaker would expect these to be a personal only. Also dropping on Tuesday on Nike US will be the Air Jordan 1 Mid in the green Python colorway. Very premium materials on this Air Jordan 1 Mid. Retail has been increased to 135 for the premium materials, and there's not really too much info in terms of the demand for these on the secondary market, but would expect these to sell out. Moving over to Thursday, May the 5th, the Nike Dunk Low Fosil Rose will drop for a retail point of 110 bucks, and would expect these to be anywhere from 150 to 170 for those larger sizes. And this week, be sure to follow Sneaker Huddle on Twitter, and also for viewers over in Europe, be sure to follow Sneaker Huddle EU. I'll leave the links to those in the description below, but we have Aimé Air Jordan 2 raffles that will be closing this week, and we will tweet all the raffles for both very soon, so be sure to have post notifications enabled here on the channel and also on Twitter. Also dropping alongside the pair will be the Nike Dunk Low Safari Mix for a retail point of 110. Now, this colorway will drop on Foot Locker, Finish Line, JD Sports, and Nike, and would expect these to be 130 to 150. Also, the Nike Dunk Low Court Purple will drop on Nike only for a retail point of 100 bucks, and would expect this colorway to be 170 to 200. And the Panda Dunks are back, but in a new form. The Nike Dunk Low Next Nature, which is a form of recycled material, will drop on Nike for a retail point of 100 bucks, and would expect these to be 170 to 200. Also, the Nike Dunk High Prime Pink for a retail point of 110 will drop on Nike, and for the larger sizes would expect these to be 125 to 150 for those larger ones. ALD Aimé Dore's New Balance 550 High collaboration will drop only on New Balance for a retail point of 165 bucks, and would expect these to do really well over time. Not initially, but what we saw for the lows, I would expect something less but similar. Moving over to Friday, May the 6th, Drake's collaboration with Nike on the Zoom Flight 95 in the black metallic colorway will drop for a retail point of 160 bucks on Nike EU. And taking a look at the demand for these pairs of sneakers, would expect these to fall within the personal category, but hey, I really like these. Now, moving over to Saturday, on May the 7th, the Bart Simpson Nike SB Dunk Low will drop in Nike Europe. Retail for the pair has been set at 100 bucks, and would expect these to drop down eventually to get around 250 bucks. So I would be a little patient for these pairs to find their ways to skate shops and also Nike sneakers overseas and here in the United States. And for the Bart Simpson Nike SB Dunk Low, be sure to find the skate shops closest to you by simply going to NikeSB.com, like we said already. For the KCDC collaboration, search to the map and find the closest skate shops to you. Follow them on Instagram. Also on Saturday, the Nike Air Max 1 in the skunk colorway will drop for a retail point of 150 bucks on Nike US. There are many raffles open and retailers such as Naked in Clothing, but I would expect these to fall within the personal only category, but a super fire colorway, and especially if you love the Nike Air Max 1. Also will be the Air Jordan 9 Chille Red colorway that will drop for a retail point of 190 bucks on many Jordan retailers and also Nike sneakers, Finish Line, JD Sports, YCMC, Foot Locker, and resale right now is crazy high at the moment. The last time that a Jordan 9 did well, it's been a really long time. So I do believe that these will eventually fall within the personal only category, but it is possible that until the hype dies down, that these could move for a little bit of profit per se, or you could be moving them locally. But I do think eventually the hype will die down and these will be personal. And rumored to drop this Saturday is the Adidas Yeezy 450 in the Sulfur colorway. Retail for the pairs have been set at $200, and most of the sizes such as 8 and up in men's sizes are below retail at the moment. So would expect the smaller sizes such as the base sizes 5 through 6 to be around 220 bucks on the secondary market, but also these are going to be personal only. So comment down below, what is your sneaker of the week? If you're over in Europe, it's definitely the Nike SB Dunk Low Bart Simpson for me. But here in the United States, the one sneaker that I'm going to be trying to cop this week is going to be Drake's collaboration with Nike on the Flight 95 in the black metallic colorway. I don't think people really care too much for these, but I like those sneakers that are kind of a little different and kind of give that 90s nostalgia, and I think this is it. So would love to hear your sneaker of the week down below in the comments, and if you got some value out of this video, please do give it a big thumbs up. Be sure to share it with friends, family, our own social media platforms. All that help really does go a long way. We really appreciate you. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. God bless each and every one of you and have a great week.